song is called Wormwood. Wormwood is actually a bitter herb.
It is a bitter herb, and the song talks about a bitter ending and a sweet beginning. I detonated, finished it all, left not a morsel, cut off from the world. A slow expansion took years to refine. I could not contain this bitter decline. My walls caved in as it tried to increase. A 40 contraction, the strain couldn't cease. Don't look back, finish and run, leave not a cent, I can't stop what's begun. I detonated, started it all, left no rock unturned, revealed my whole world. A quick expansion took minutes to see. I had no container to hold this release. My heart expands through a tumultuous beat, a mechanical wonder, a mysterious beat. Jump right in, make haste and run, leave all your pain, won't stop what's begun. I detonated. like the gust of the wind on a dandelion sea, like a rocket,
like a rocket,
like a bird soaring high in the sky, like the jet stream,
like the jet stream,
like an autumn leaf dropping and taking first flight.